Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I've got late breaking news. I got a message that Mike Ladd at SDR Play just did a quick video on using the new version of SDRuno 1.32, and as you can see, it was released the 9th of July 2019. So I started my version of SDRuno, and when there's a new version out there, it tells you, do you want to load the new version? And what it does, it takes you to this website which shows you what's in the new version, and you can download the new version. So I just stopped here. I thought, okay, let's let my subscribers and listeners know about this. So here's the recent changes. They've added the diversity mode, which they've been talking about for about a month, for the RSP Duo, and that's where you can combine the input on the two 50 ohm input ports of two antennas to improve reception. Now, I'm not that familiar with diversity mode, so I'm going to learn how to use that. Also, they have an option in the op menu to restart the API service in case it gets hung up. They now have prevention of cellular frequency ranges being used for a scanner. I don't know, who cares about that. And then they added a whole bunch of COM ports for CAT control changes. They improved the auto update check, which is what I was just talking about, checking that to see if a new version of software is out there. SDRuno will now start the API service upon startup. If it's not already started, SDRuno will now attempt to restart the API service if communication is lost when pressing play, and so on. I'm not going to go through every one of those. You can read those on the SDR Play website. And then here's two still known issues. It says the auto update feature will prompt you to update your installation to this latest revision. To prevent this message from appearing, start Uno and click Op in the main menu and unclick Enable Auto Update Check, which is what I've got. Currently, the EXTIO version of SDRuno is only available in release 1.22. So then what you would do is then say download update, and it would download the update, and you would be using this latest version. Again, I'm not that familiar with using this mode, but I'm really interested in doing that. I think I kind of did that many years ago when I had two antennas coming into a splitter and having the two antennas connected to a radio at the same time. Not really the same thing because you had no control over it. But also I will have to set up my RSP Duo down in my workshop, because that's where a whole bunch of antennas for HF come in, where up in my office there's only like one antenna that comes in, so I can't use that dual antenna option under this diversity mode. So we'll be checking that out in the future, and if you have any information about it, if you've tried it, let us know. Anyway, if you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. And thanks to Mike Ladd for his videos. And he, like I say, if you go to his videos, his YouTube channel, you can see him doing a quick test of the diversity mode, and he just kind of an introduction where he has two antennas that are identical, and he says those are not the best antennas, but this is kind of the way it works. So you can check out that video. Again, that's Mike Ladd. You can also, I think, if you go to support, let me see. I think it's, let me see where it is. There's one section over here under video and guide. Okay, go to video and guide. Oh, okay. That's not what I wanted. There's this section which actually has videos. Let's try links. Nope, that's not it. How-to guides? Community guides. No. I forgot where it is, but there is. I just kicked the daggum microphone off the stand. Oh my gosh. There is, I don't know why I can't find it. There is a section here. Maybe I'm in the wrong area. Let me try this one here. Yeah, there it is. Okay. So here is links to various guides and videos. And let's see if it's sorted. Sort by date. That's what we want, because we want the latest at the top. And no, it's not his latest video is not here. This is more on Mike's personal frequency list. I thought it would have been here, but it's not here. Like, what you can probably do is, like, here's Mike, KD2KOG. You could probably click on one of these. Matter of fact, I'll do it right now. And let's go to YouTube. And that will probably take you to his YouTube channel. Yeah.
It's Mike, KD2.
And then you can go click on his YouTube site. And let's see if that video's there. Videos. And I believe it, yeah, I believe it's just these two right here, where he's talking about using his two W6LVP loop antennas, and he mentions this new option under SDRuno on this one right here. So you can, that's how you can get to his YouTube channel. Let me go back. And I'll show you, this is the name of it, SDR Play Ham Guides. And Mike does a bunch of excellent videos about how to use the SDR plays and how to use SDRuno. So you can see, I'll just scroll down here real quickly. Here he's got lots of videos. And I've learned a lot from his guides. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.